going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm back with a review for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 1 Court Purples on deck. About to show you guys what they look like and things like that. Give you guys a quick on feet. Yeah, man, I know I've been away for a while, but your boy's back, man. Also, don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post videos like these. This shoe was really hard to get. I had a lot of complications with foot action, man. I did win on the app. When I got to the store, they said my name wasn't down. Just straight up, just like, it was crazy, man. I got them though from a local person that where I live at, gave them to me for a great price. And let's just get straight into it, man. Shoe is basically purple, black, and white. Now, the quality on the shoe, I must say, it is good. It's not the best though, but it is good. Typical Jordan 1 box, nothing special at all. Just comes your regular white paper in the box and that's it. So let's start off with the front. As you can see, it does come with your black laces and your purple laces. Starting off with the front of the toe, as you guys can see, you got your purple on the front of the toe with your perforated holes. You got your black going in front of the toe. Now, as you can see, when I push down, the quality is nice. I want to say the quality of this shoe reminds me of the bread toes. I do have the bread toes right here, and quality is exactly the same. Going up on your tongue, you got your Nike Air. You got your nylon on the tongue in black. I know the kid sizes came in white, but I'd rather have the black. Let's take a look over here on the midsole. You got your white on your midsole with the black swoosh, and over here you got your white with your tumble leather print. You got your wing right here on the top with the ball. Take a look at the medial side, same as the lateral. Your tumble over here with your swoosh and your purple. Take a look at the back. Back, you got your purple with your black back there. The back is nice and soft, I must say. Bottom of the shoe, you can see you just got your whole court purple in the bottom with your Nike branded right there. Just looking really nice, man. Love the purple on the shoe. It just pops, you know what I'm saying? Inside the shoe, take a look inside. Inside, you got your Nike Air branding in there in purple with your white inner sole, sock liner in black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think these are dope? Do you think these are a pass? You know, hope you guys enjoy this quick review of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple. But enough talking, man. We're going to get into this on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that thumbs up. It's your boy DS Dan. And I'm gone.
Yo, man, Scoop Breezy checking in, man. Shouts up, fam. You already know what it is, bro. Out here, man, know what it is, man. Iced out, nigga gonna fucking play that shit, nigga. You know what it is, my nigga.
Yeah. Real niggas trying to get out, fake niggas trying to fit in. Yeah. That fun shit, man. Yeah. I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. I don't name drop, just blow your brains out. Niggas talking in the streets, steady making the gang hot. If it's beef, it's with the same guys, we got gang ties. I was waiting outside his crib, I wish the nigga came out. School breezy, problem child, head first in these streets. Started with no job, went to work in these streets. Shad City, I think I'm geek, fan first in these streets. If a nigga tried us, we would get murk in these streets. We went from middle school all the way through high school. My first vid on YouTube, it was just me and you. When you pick up the tool, swear you had a loose screw. If a nigga cross you would give him a moon roof. And they said my niggas tore the fast. Damn, I wish David would've took his mask. Schools called me up like Davy Dad. Who would've know a few weeks later he'll be next? I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came.